kind of be cognizant as to whether yours is working.
Yep.
They're coming up the right stairwell.
Okay. There's a lot of them coming up the gut.
I got a shot on Hanzo.
They're going up high.
Oh, jeez. Just got charged up on Zenyatta. Zenyatta got rezzed.
They have a Sombra in our back line.
I'll try and solve that.
Oh, I got sniped.
Dang it, she's one. Sombra's one in the back. Crap.
James, back up.
Alright, they're running what they're running.
Now you have my attention.
Dang it! Everyone is getting healed constantly.
Oh my gosh, I keep getting sniped.
Shoot. Okay, what do we need to change?
Crap.
Should we go
going to
Winston
silver.
against the snipers?
Sure.
Much better.
Winston to you.
Oh my gosh, where?
We're falling back
Alright,
for
I'm
heals.
off, Zarya. I'm going to try Wrecking Ball.
Right behind you, Winston. Let's go top right.
Hanzo down.
There's, Hanzo just got rezzed.
You must like me.
Okay, James, ready to jump onto the point?
Yep,
I'm
already
hacked.
here.
Oh, jeez.
Hanzo down.
Just got storm arrow in the
No
face.
Need help.
on my side.
Okay, you guys are gonna have to.
Mercy's hit behind.
Gosh, dang it.
What the heck? My life expectancy is like 2 seconds.
Zenyatta is like hitting all of his charged shots on me.
It's definitely good.
Yep. Okay, let's.
The second I walk out of the freaking spawn, I get headshot by Hanzo.
The payload has reached
Oh, damn.
Sorry.
I was trying to reset my character. Dang it. Yeah, fall back, regroup.
Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm not helping out here.
Oh crap, we're stuck out here.
Yep, fall
Just
back,
die.
fall back, fall back.
James, die.
True self is without form.
Sombra coming around the back.
Yeah, Summer's coming around left side.
She's got an EMP
Alright,
too.
She used it right before the last point.
Did she?
What?
Zarya.
I'm hacked. I need help.
I got Sombra. Sombra's down.
Thank you.
Burn their shield down. Alright, Reinhardt. Get Ryan. Alright, we got him.
Ryan's down.
Get Mercy. Oh no!
Haven't had enough?
Didn't get the Mercy.
Oh, come back, James. Okay. Watch behind us, Sombra.
Tracer.
There's a freaking
Tracer
Zarya
down.
back here behind us.
It's alright.
Sorry, down.
We're good.
We're good.
Alright, I have a soldier ult.
I have a Junkrat.
I'll try and get up on the
Gonna
high
hide out back
ground.
here.
Holy crap, I just died. Oh my gosh.
Tracer
Are
in
you
the back.
freaking kidding me?
Tracer down.
Nice.
There's gonna be an Earth Shatter coming.
That was a little early. Sorry. Oops. This Tracer, right side.
Oh, I'm down.
Alright, Tracer down.
Tracer down, yep.
Reinhardt. Merc, Zarya. Alright, got her. Zenyatta.
Got him.
Now get the Mercy. Never mind, she's flying around in the above.
Got the Tracer.
Hanzo. Freaking Hanzo. Headshot.
Hanzo down. Mercy has Discord.
Alright, they're gonna go for another Zarya
Yeah, we're
wombo
gonna
combo.
spread out a bit.
Yeah, and I don't have anything to protect us against the Wombo combo.
Don't.
Trace, you guys Tracer coming around the back?
Back left.
Yep.
Yes. You guys help with the Ryan?
Right, Zarya one. Alright, she's getting healed.
Crap him down.
Ryan down.
Tracer got two. Tracer got two.
In the back.
The Ryan is res.
Zen down.
That's it.
Bomb it.
Dang it.
Bomb it.
Got her.
Stall.
Dang it. Meant to fly up first, missed it. You guys can hold it, I can get out.
I'm on it.
Not for long, I take it.
Burn every ult you got.
The cycle begins anew.
Sterben nicht.
Dang.
Score.
Dang, that Tracer pulse bomb is huge.
Switching sides.
Yeah.
I beat her on so many 1v1s and she thinking got me and
To attack.
connived it on.
Select your hero.
TP? Let's try the TP May. I don't know. Do we want a Lucio? We could do a Lucio.
Concentrated heals.
Yeah. if we got
Where are
a
we
Lucio.
going TP?
Let's just go up the choke, and then
Use it. We can go around the left side and then TP to like further out where you.
Basically onto the point.
Yeah,
Just
so
rush
you just
him?
kind of wrap around the point at the last
no.
second.
How about this? What if we try to TP above the point? You know, the square above the point. So it'd take us
behind the
Back
point?
of it.
Yeah, we could speed Lucio to get us a little bit closer, like to where the mega health is on the left, and then
Okay.
TP onto the high ground.
We don't really have a high ground comp though.
Yeah, we should get rid of the May if we're gonna do this. I like the high ground.
Attack commences.
So John, why don't
I
you?
might like an
shoot-
Orisa instead of a
Everyone
mine,
performs
but
their function.
if we
Victory is assured.
do that.
Yeah, I could do that.
Do you want to be something more high ground
Let's-
friendly?
Yeah, more high ground friendly.
Justice ain't gonna dispense
Uh,
Alright, game face on.
and then James, Moira.
Now meet a Moira.
Do you know how to?
Yep.
Or Mercy?
5, 4,
Do you know Mercy?
3, 2,
Yep.
1. Attack.
Would you rather I Mercy?
Capture objective
yeah.
A.
Alright, come left. So, you guys, we're gonna speed around this corner, try to get to the mega health pack. Okay.
Hey, we've got to
Ready
get
for
moving or they're gonna...
Ready for speed? Okay, speed now.
Yep, go.
Go. Keep coming.
Teleporter's up.
Okay, teleport's up. Get to the high ground.
just a matter of time. That'll
So there's a Mercy gonna be coming behind us.
He's behind us,
Crap, I'm dead. Oh, never mind. Thank you so much. Was that Ben?
You're
That was
welcome.
amazing.
Another teleporter on the.
Oh, I'm down.
Mercy's two. Mercy's one. Mercy's down.
You best head for the hills.
I need a.
I'm almost back.
Got
I
her.
need a top off.
The dragon's fire consumes all.
Objective A.
That teleporter was
Nice,
amazing, man. I was jumping back and
Yeah, it
forth in
was.
it, and like Hanzo tried to kill me, and I was just like, boop, high ground, shoot somebody else.
It was awesome, guys.
My teleporter is online.
TP, everyone, TP it. Well, it's pointless. We need to take the payload. Never mind. Just
Yeah,
TP up.
that's right.
You guys, screw that. Screw that. Let's everyone come with me. Screw the payload. Come with
I
me.
don't know if you're
Up
joking
top.
or not.
I'm serious.
I'll push for a little bit. They're all up here in
Let's
front
win
of
the
the
team
payload.
fight and then go back for it.
I'm down.
Easy.
Mercy down.
Can we res? Can we get a res?
Yeah.
Oh,
Tracer down.
Oh, thank you.
You guys, help me on the payload.
Hanzo down.
Help me on the payload. Help me on the payload.
Dang it.
Are we?
Oh, this is fine. This is fine.
Yeah, we're fine. We've got a lot of ults too.
Tracer's coming in on you.
Speed. Ty, are you still talking?
Much obliged.
Ty, are you there?
I went down.
I'm muted,
Sure why
sorry.
he's not talking.
I've been talking. I'm just muted.
Can I get res?
No, I think this fight's over. I think this fight's gonna be over.
Yeah, fight's over. Get out, die, do whatever you need to.
Double kill.
Dude, screw this
It
freaking
ain't my
tracer.
time.
So let's switch off of. Let's get a Brigitte with a tracer. Who knows how to play Brigitte?
I,
We have
I
5
can play
ults.
Brigitte, but
Brigitte.
I've got a
Connivan's
sound
got a good
barrier.
Brigitte, but let him use
We're
his
gonna use
ult
the sound.
first.
Yeah, let's use
Okay,
the
let's
sound barrier
engage
here.
with this. Ready?
You guys, yep. You
You
guys
guys
with
ready?
me? Now,
Yep.
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 I need a lot of help.
Hold up now.
Tracer
Okay, on the
down.
point, get on the point.
Hanzo high ground.
Take the teleporter up. Oh wait, where did it take me?
Dropped off.
Hanzo down.
The payload has reached the checkpoint. Barrier activated.
Hey, can you TP us up to the top right? Up. Go.
The two tanks are on the high ground. They're fairly low on health.
Oh gosh, I went right into a battle and died. That TP scared, dropped me over the edge.
Tracer's one. I love it. Give him hell.
Brigitte.
Got the
Teleport to the
mercy.
high ground. On the payload.
It's down. It's down.
Her shield's down.
We got her. Are we?
Okay, what ults
where's-
do we have?
Got a mercy ult.
You guys.
Burn the shield. Burn the shield.
Got the Junkrat.
Okay, that got me.
Oh man.
Alright, it's over. No ults. It's fine.
I'll have a sound barrier here soon.
I'll probably have an ult in this next fight.
I will too.
I knew I couldn't get out, but
Let's go around the back.
I could at the very
Lucio, speed
least.
us around the back. The whole team.
Hold up, I'm coming in.
Left side. Left side, right?
Dark time.
Right side.
Through here?
No, right side.
Oh, I see. I see.
Oh,
Okay,
I
you ready,
see.
John?
Yep, I'm here.
Yep.
They have a
Okay, let's
Genji
go,
now.
Let's go.
Not down.
I need heals.
I'm also down.
All right. No more, no ults, no ults.
Yeah, no ults.
Okay, I got my ult though.
Me too.
We've got
Alright, we have
6
6 ults.
Oh my goodness, that was perfect for
I've
Winston.
got
there.
unfinished.
We just
gonna
need
have-
to walk.
Yeah, let's
Let's go left now. Let's go left.
Let's go
yeah,
left.
let's
We
go
need to
left.
get on
Let's
the point.
initiate with the
Sound barrier.
Sound barrier.
no, with the wall shield, major wall shield. We can sound barrier if we need to, but
Oh, okay.
connivance.
Yep.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Reality bends to my will. Team up. Special touchdown. Oh! 60 seconds.
Genji.
Got him.
Get the monkey. I'm gonna go stuff them in their entrance.
Spread out there. Watch out for that.
Ryan's low.
Just a
Protect the payload.
Push in, push in, push in.
Yeah, baby.
That was nice, Ty. That was very nice.
Good job.
Sheesh.
I
Good
think
job.
somebody healed me on that one, but that was fun.
You know what? They were trying to escape, and I slurped them all right back into you.
Nice.
Select your hero.
That was
You want-
fun.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the same kind of attack here, or do we just want to turn,
Probably gonna expect that.
or do we just
Let's
want
do
to
this.
turn ourselves into a major brawl, punch him in the face type comp?
No, let's do this. Let's do the sim again, but this time we're gonna go through the main choke. We'll go right to go up the stairs, and then once we get to the high ground, no. We're gonna go right, and then we'll go low and all the way around the back. So we need a Lucio for speed.
Yep.
Attack commences in 30
You guys with me? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go right, then we're gonna go low all the way to the back. We can TP to the top.
Yep.
Only use the teleporter to the top if there's resistance in the back. If not, we'll use the stairs and then use the TP to go in and out on the point.
5, 4,
Well, it's the same. Well,
1. Attack commencing.
Okay, wait for the speed. We're gonna speed around the choke to get up the stairs, okay?
Okay.
ready.
Go.
Go.
Engaging enemy.
Alright, come in. Come in, follow me to the right.
There's Farah there.
Then we're gonna drop down the stairs right here.
Genji's
Okay, ready?
behind us.
Come back
down.
around. Yep.
Yeah,
All
you,
the way
you guys
around.
keep coming.
All the way.
Keep coming.
30 seconds.
Come around. Keep coming. You guys
Get
all the way
Ryan,
to
get
the
Ryan,
back.
get Ryan. Okay.
Oh.
I need lots of help.
We're on you.
Where's the?
Mercy's low.
I'm down.
Focus Ryan.
Mercy.
We can get this. We can get this.
Thanks for the heal.
Yep.
Ryan. He's one.
I have an
Where's
ult. High ground. I need heals if we can get it.
She's on top.
Objective A captured.
Okay, you guys, I'm the main tank, so I'm gonna stay with the payload, okay? We have to brawl. We have to be brawly.
I need to get that.
Fair's
Farah.
down.
Okay, there we got it.
First down.
Assistance requested.
She was just hiding around that corner and I couldn't quite see her.
Okay, so we're gonna want to use our ults, okay? Because we want to win the fights. We don't
Right.
want to.
I'm gonna
Win the
go to
second
the top
fight.
left. There's Reinhardt right here.
I'm with you.
How about that?
To my will.
That was good.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
Got the mercy.
Alright,
Have
you
a
still have ult,
Reaper
right?
ult.
Mercy, you're gonna use your ult in the next fight. You guys, get to the payload, get to the
Genji.
payload.
I need heals. I need heals.
Now,
Dang it, I'm dead.
Mercy
I'm
ult,
dead.
Mercy
I'm
ult.
dead. I'm dead.
I got it.
I got him.
I think he just used his Earth Shatter.
Yep,
he did.
Too. I think your shield blocked it.
You guys, I'm off the point. I'm off the point.
I'm dead.
I'm on it.
We're still going.
Can we get a res? James?
Not yet. Not yet. I'm coming back. That was the first one that Genji hit.
We're still moving.
Oh man, I got a good spawn.
Yeah, we're perfect.
Alright, I'm here.
No bubble, no bubble.
Hey,
I need heal. Crap.
thank you.
Kind of peel. You're gonna have to kind of touch and untouch the point here.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a dance. Use your ults. Burn everything you got. We're in all or nothing mode.
This life's never uneventful.
Dang it! I used my ult and they froze.
I'm dead, I'm dead. You guys
I'm
were doing
dead.
awesome. Keep going, keep going.
He is causing trouble.
Oh, I got it out. I got it out.
Nice. Stay on the point, stay on the point.
I got.
Only through
Dang it, I have an ult if you guys can hold off.
Oh.
We stepped off.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Awesome attempts.
Score 5-3. Switching sides.
Good push.
Okay, how are we going to do this?
Let's do something brawly.
Prepare your
I don't know, that high ground has
Kinda-
been working for us.
Select your hero.
Kind of like a May.
Yeah, May, okay, let's do May.
Who can do a good May?
I feel like I was doing good on Zen on defense.
Put James on the May.
is without form.
I could go either Brigida or Symmetra.
Go
Maybe
go
Brigida.
Yep.
Yeah, breathe.
And then maybe
Do you want me to go McCree?
we got
Yeah, I want
too
you on
many
the
heals
Gonna
maybe.
dispense
Yeah.
itself.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
tie, like, Genji or...
Reaper
I
or
don't
something.
know. Let's see, what have they been using for tanks? Or...
They've
What
had
are
a
they
Been
Rhine.
pretty tanky, and the Reaper has been pretty effective so far.
Okay.
Yeah, the hardest thing has been the Genji trying to dive me from behind or things like that.
And I can kind
Yeah,
of
and I'll
help
try
deal
to-
with him as Reaper.
That'll
Right.
get it
I'll try
done.
to
And,
get stun on
and we
him.
have the...
The Brigida should
Okay,
help
let's
with
play
this.
back. Stay on the point.
Yeah, I agree.
We only got to hold it for 1 minute.
And we want to make it super expensive for them to get here.
3, 2,
Okay.
Right.
1. Attackers incoming.
So, James, put your wall up as early as you can.
Be careful out there.
I need heals. Thank you.
I'm on you.
Now, James, now, put your wall up. Don't die, do not die. Yo, why was the wall there?
I just missed.
They had already moved in past that spot. Alright, I'm
They
gonna
also
go
have-
for Ryan.
Okay, he's down.
Get Ryan. Alright. Zarya.
Get him, finish him. You guys can get this.
I got him.
I'm down on the point, but oh, nice.
This
Thanks
is
for
not
the heads up.
time.
Much obliged.
All right,
Okay,
let's
move
push
forward.
forward. Push forward.
Do we have a May still alive?
Yep, I'm still
Yeah,
here.
everyone's
Okay.
alive.
10 seconds.
Everyone stay here. I want the May wall to go right where Conniving is.
We win this.
Everyone back up, back up. The May wall's gonna come down right here.
Got the Lucio.
We did it.
Victory.
Well done.
Good job, guys.
Ooh, that was a hard-fought game. We did it.
Play of the game.